Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Cash Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share a tutorial on how to mint the USAGII NFT for free on Paras platform. It's deployed on Astar blockchain. And so this event is still going on. They have the free minting for all of you. If you are interested, you can get this NFT for free. At the end of the video, I also show you what is the utility of this NFT. And so this is an NFT deployed on Paras. Is a new platform on the Astar network, and they have the tutorial to show you how to mint. So first of all, you can join their Discord, you can join their Launchpad. You also need to stake the Astar on their dApp. So go to dApp staking, find Paras. You need to stake at least 5,000 Astar. And so after you stake 5,000 Astar, you should be able to mint the NFT for free. So now I already have more than 5,000 Astar. The next step is go to their Launchpad and mint the whitelist or mint the staking. And after you click approve, you should be able to get your NFT. So you can check your NFT on Paras platform. So if you go to the top right, then you should be able to check all the NFTs you have. So here is the USAGII NFT I have got. So now is the important part for the utility. This NFT, you have the airdrop opportunity, you have raffle, staking point booster, free mint opportunity, and community treasury, Paras store, all kinds of things. The cool thing about it is minting is free. You only need a little bit Astar. So for those of you who follow my YouTube channel, who are my community supporting me in long term, just leave your address. I'm going to send you the Astar for you to mint. So it will be completely free if you want to mint this NFT. The only thing I want is all of you just stay happy in this hard moment. I know there are a lot of news right now going on, so I hope all of you are doing well. So that's all of my hope. Thanks for watching, and thanks all of you for your support. I will see you next time. Bye bye.